riding round with the windows down. Got me feeling too breezy, burned out. Yeah, we smelling like loud. Made this shit look easy. Boy, I just had me a milli. I step my guap to the ceiling. Yeah, bro, boy, don't act like you feel me. Nah, bro, boy, don't act like you feel me. I'm riding round with the windows down. Got me feeling too breezy, burned out. Yeah, we smelling like loud. Made this shit look easy. Boy, I just had me a milli. Yeah, I step my guap to the ceiling. Yeah, bro, boy, don't act like you feel me. Nah, bro, boy, don't act like you feel me. Nah.
Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel, Gang Fam Squad. What is up? It's been a little while since I posted a vlog, so my fault on that. But we got big moves today. We got air for the BRZ. All cars are fundamentally the same, so I'm going to show you guys how to basically install and wire a full airlift kit for the BRZ. It's been requested and it hasn't been in this channel in a long time, and that's because it has been stored. Also, we are very close to 3,000, so if you're new and you like what you see here, you know what's up. I just wanted to take a second aside and just really thank everyone that either commented, subscribed, whatever, DM me, any interaction that you've had with me. I really appreciate it, so I just want to say thank you to everyone, all the new friends I've made over the past year and a half, everything. I love you guys. So for those of you that don't know, the only reason why these videos are a little far and few in between right now is because one, it's winter time, so there's nothing for us to do. If you're new or whatever, we live Northeast Ohio, so it's very cold. We only get half a year for season, so there isn't that much to do. We do what we can in the winter time, but it's just the content kind of dries up a little bit, so I apologize. Two, on top of that, I obviously run Low Life Gang, so I have a GTR to pay for, all my normal things in my life, and then I have to gather up money for the merch and the parts, and I can't make vlogs without working on cars, and without working on cars, you need parts. So it's just one big cycle, but we got a lot of crazy shit planned this year, so that's gonna be raw. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, always having my back. I appreciate it 100%. All the OGs, everybody, new guys, whatever, thank you guys so much for everything. But without further ado, enough of that sauce shit. Let's get today's video started. We're bagging the BRZ. Alright, so we just got to Kurt's again. Kurt. And we're pretty much just kicking it right now, waiting for some of the homies to get here. We're gonna knock out the BRZ install. We got the bags all sorted down there. Management is over there. And I'm saying, I'm gonna quote 6 hours for everything to be all tied up, but we'll see. We always seem to run into some type of problem here on this channel, but we'll figure it out. Like I said, we're just waiting for a couple more homies to get here and we're gonna knock it out. So I'll see you guys when we start breaking off wheels.
Hey, you know your bumper's shit all out.
Yeah, it's all the time. Alright, let's give you guys a little update. There's a ton of people here. Everybody's running to get parts. One of the back lug nuts, two of the back lug nuts, I should say, stripped, so we're getting it to get a bite tool so we can get the back wheel off. Max and Emily just got here, hella late as always, and you drove, so it's your fault.
I was saying, now you can hold it here.
And, oh, I tried. But me and Max are knocking out the front struts right now. He's currently beating me. What's up? You already know. Hey. But he's currently beating me. Knocked the one side off. We're putting the new airlift struts into the front. I just got mine off over there, and now we are putting in the new one. We're gonna run these, probably run the management and everything else. If worse comes to worse and we cannot get that wheel off, we'll just slap just the front suspension on and do the backs another day. But you know, that's where we're at right now.
What's up, dog?
Hello, Lily.
Hello.
So,
What are you up to?
we're back in the BRZ right now. I, your humble servant, am just going over this guy's wiring, basically. Don't die. We're basically wiring everything from the manifold up to the cockpit, up to the battery. All the struts are pretty much done. All the wheels are back on. My guys are still working on that last lug. It's stripped out. But we're gonna bang it out, we're gonna get it done. I'm just running this wire in, we're gonna test up the manifold, make sure air gets circulated to all the bags, and hopefully everything will be a-okay. Interior-wise, this is really easy to pull apart and put back together, so we're gonna have a very nice, seamless finish. You're not gonna be able to see any wires or anything like that. Probably gonna get copy strike from the video playing in the background. Thank you very much, Kurt. But I'm gonna get back to wiring, and then I'll show you guys what's up.
For sure.
Okay, so we're almost done wiring. Everything was ran through the firewall, so I have to mount the battery back down. Ran everything through the back. This is the last wire that I have to tuck. This is all for the manifold, but everything from the back looks super clean. I ran the control wire into the glove box. It's super dark, so you can't see that, but pretty clean. So I have to tidy up a few things. Gonna finish this wiring and then start testing the air. So all the wires are pretty much done. Everything is tucked, hidden away. You're never gonna see anything. We ended up putting the module in the glove box right now, so it's out of sight, out of mind. Now we're mounting up the trunk. The owner before me actually had a bracket that he gave us when we bought the whole air kit. And there's actually a divot up here. You ain't gotta show it.
You got a big dick.
Shut the fuck up. Stupid. Oh man. There's a divot up there, so we're mounting the tank to the ceiling, so we'll still have room. All this is gonna be buried. We're gonna finish mounting up the tank, running the line, start throwing all this back together, and then we'll knock that last bag out last, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so we have to go pick up a fuse real quick, then test all the wiring. We're gonna lower this side, see how it looks like. This is technically what it would look like aired out because there's no air in the system. It's up on wood just so we can get the jack stands out, start putting some of the tools away. We're gonna run to the store real quick after I take this down off the jacks and go get some shit. Hopefully fix this stripped lug problem. We've already tried so many things, but it's basically the last thing holding us up, so. Okay, so hell of a day today. A lot's going on. We still have a lot to do. There was a couple issues with the electric that we got figured out, so we're now aired out on one side. Three quarters on air, not fully. Still kind of static at the same time, but here's the fitment right now. For the passenger side, pretty hard, not gonna lie. We are going to traverse to the store, grab some new wheel studs, attempt to knock this off. It's probably gonna be a late night. But the fitment on the front is pretty damn aggressive, if I do say so myself. Shit. Not too much else to say really, so we still have to do the back, so don't judge. But that's how she sits in the front right now. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. Still got a little bit of, you know, fitment issues and everything else, but it's not bad. We could pull this out even more if we wanted to, but you know, it's subtle, it's nice, or whatever, and this is like on our first try, so. We're gonna run, get some studs, shoot up to Max's shop this time, change the scenery. Kurt, my man.
Yeah, we have brother.
But yeah, so far so good. So we're gonna head up to the store and get what we need. Well, not the best bag by far. Best vlog by far. So long story short, man, where to begin? Where to begin? My friend. Okay, so we didn't go to Summit, obviously. We're in my neighborhood. I fucked up the specs. The wheels are too wide. I blew out both bags in the front. She's chilling. The BRZ is chilling. I blew both bags in the front. No air, no rise up, no nada. Have to call airlift. I have to order 2 new bags for the front. Rebuild the coilovers I just put on. We haven't even fixed the wheel yet either. Still have to go get the studs. They're like $175 each. My own fault, stupidity. So it has to sit like this until the bags come. Then we have to rebuild the struts I literally just put on, and then rebuild the struts, and then go up, and then get the wheel fixed, and then take the wheels off to go get powder coated. So it's all bad. I'm exhausted. I'm defeated. Car's on air, works, it's super sick, really clean setup. I love to show you guys in the next one. But you know, bag's blown. My back's blown out. I'm tired. We're wrapping it up here until next time. I will pick it back up, I guess, when the bags come in, but airlift is stationed out of Michigan, so it should only be a day or two, but we're taking this L. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Although my heart may be weak, it's not alone. It's grown with each new experience, and it's found a home with all the friends I've made. I've become part of their heart just as they've become a part of mine. And if they think of me now and then, if they don't forget me, then our hearts will be one. I don't need a weapon.
Yeah.
My friends are my power.